'tis the season, and we'll be reacting to Pentatonix for the very first time, Carols of the Bells. Let's go.
Sweet silver bells all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Ding dong, that is the song with joyful ring, all caroling. One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they pound, raising their sound, o'er hill and dale, telling their tales. Merry, merry, while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here, merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. On this and on without end, their joyful tone to everyone. Ha, ha, ha. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. La 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 sweet silver bells all seem to say, throw cares away.
We will throw cares away.
Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and bold. Oh, how they pound, raising their sound, o'er hill and dale, telling their tales. Merry, merry, while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here, merry, 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 merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry, 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 merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Listen, though without to everyone. La da 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 da, 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 la da da da
They are the gift that keeps giving, yo. My brain is like expanding, yo. Those first few minutes, I was like, oh my gosh, I felt emotional, I felt happy, I felt like I want to jump off my seat, like so many emotions, and it just keeps getting better, yo. This is so good. This Baz, man, oh my gosh. Hey! Yo, they're so good, they're so talented. It's such a blessing that all these amazing people are together in one group. They look so young here, and it's just like you see where they recorded, and it seems like they did it, someone was holding them. This might be their beginnings, you know, and it's already so good. And the drumming, the bass, like music is so beautiful. It hits you in places in your body that you never knew existed. Like, I had a lot of fun listening to this, and yes, they're bringing the Christmas cheer, the joyfulness, the happiness. Yes, joy to the world, the Savior is born. Yes, joy to the world. Yes, this was amazing. This was amazing, yo. Carols of the Bell. I'm so happy I got to experience it for the first time with you guys. Da, 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 boom, boom, boom. Let me know what your favorite song for them, what you think about this, and when was this shot. Whatever you want to share. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that good stuff, y'all. This is a really, really good one to have in your rotation. That was really, really, really. I felt like I was in some fantasy Candyland and just eargasm, y'all. That was amazing. That was totally amazing. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a fat thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description below. We got Ko-Fi, Patreon, YouTube membership, just different ways you can plug into the channel. I'm very blessed to have you click into this video and enjoy these experiences with me. If you just meeting me for the first time, my name is Blessing Gomero, or you can call me Mrs. Pempa, whichever you prefer. What's your favorite Christmas song? I love Christmas music, and I actually have an original Christmas song called Christmas is Here. Can you kindly check it out after this video? It's in my channel, Blessing Gomero. Christmas is Here. You can search for it, Blessing Gomero, Christmas is Here. Since I talked about it in this video, I'll leave it in the description, as well as a reply to my pinned comment. So yeah, love y'all.